guys, what's up, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be making the world's smallest slime package ever. So I'm going to be making miniature slimes, and then I'm going to put them in a very small box, and then we are going to be unboxing it together. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. But before we get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so recently I got an Amazon gift card and it came in this super adorable box. I just love this box, it's so cute, and as soon as I saw it, I immediately knew that I wanted to make this video. So yeah, I'm going to be making the world's smallest slime package, and here you can see that I'm opening up the box, and the best thing about it is that it is magnetic, which just makes it even better in my opinion. Anyway, I'm going to remove the card holder that's inside, and this was pretty easy. Once that was done, I'm going to take some craft paper and I'm going to glue that to the bottom of the box. We're pretty much done with the box for now, and of course, because this is supposed to be a slime package, we of course need to make slime. The first slime I'm going to be making is a red clear slime. To make the slime, I have my mini bowl here in which I'm going to add clear glue. And if you're wondering, I actually made these mini bottles of glue myself. I found sauce bottles and I printed out a label and I popped those on top. And yeah, I just filled it up with glue, and that is how I made the mini bottles, if you're wondering. I'm gonna add in some red food coloring and mix that in. To activate the slime, you only need to add in 4 to 5 drops of activator and mix that all together. The clear slime is all done. Next, I'm going to be making a pink cloud slime. So in my mini bowl, I'm going to add some white glue. Next, I'm going to add in some pink food coloring. Now you can go ahead and activate your slime. Of course, to make this into a cloud slime, you will need instant snow. So I'm going to add a couple of scoops of snow, and then I'm going to add 1 mini cup of water. All you want to do now is dip the slime into the snow and keep kneading that in until the slime gets very fluffy. Next up, we're going to be making a crispy slime, and I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I am making different textures of slime, and we're going to be making 8 different textures for this box. So right now, I'm making an orange colored slime using clear glue. The key ingredient to making crispy slime is plastic fake snow, not instant snow, the plastic kind. So yeah, I'm just dipping the slime into the snow and you want to keep kneading it in. Try not to add too much of the snow or else your slime will end up getting very dry. So you kind of want to get that perfect balance of like crispy but also stretchy. For the fourth slime, I'm going to be making a butter slime. So all I'm going to do first is make some basic plain slime using white glue. To turn this into a butter slime, I'm going to add some yellow Daiso clay. Now for the fifth slime, I'm going to be making a green fluffy slime. The first thing I'm going to do is add some white glue into the bowl. Then I'm going to add some green food coloring. Next, to turn this into a fluffy texture, I'm going to add some shaving cream. I'm going to mix this together and then I'm going to activate it. I believe this is the sixth slime, and for this one, all I'm gonna do is just take some blue glitter glue and I'm gonna activate it. Next up, I'm going to be making a thick slime using glue all. So I am going to add that to a bowl. Then I'm going to add in some food coloring. So I'm doing purple here, as you can see. To make the slime nice and glossy, I'm going to add about 2 mini spoons of baby oil. And the final step is to activate your slime. For the final slime, I'm going to be making a foam. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make some clear slime. Here I have these very colorful foam beads and I'm just going to add these to the slime. I have all of the slimes that I need for the box. Now I need to store them in a container. Now most of the containers that I have were not really fitting into the box that we're going to be using. So I ended up finding these empty glitter pots. I actually emptied out the glitter myself and I'm gonna pop in the slimes into these and they were perfect for the box. They all fit really well. I'm so happy with the way all 8 of these slimes turned out. They're so colorful and so bright. Now this is where I kind of got a bit extra with this video, and I ended up making my own slime labels, and I'm just gonna pop these onto the containers. Look how cute these slimes look. Oh my god, I am so happy with the way they turned out. After making the labels, I was like, you know what? I'm also gonna make a slime care card because why not? Like, I've already made mini labels, so I'm gonna make a little card to go with it as well. So here, all I'm going to do now is just pop the slimes into the box. To kind of replicate packaging foam, I ended up using foam beads, and then I'm going to pop the slime care card, and yeah, I'm gonna close the box, and this is the miniature slime package all completed. And of course, I had to unbox it. I mean, I just made the entire box and I know what's inside, but I was like, I should probably like unbox it because it would look really cute in the video. After taking out all of the slimes, I went ahead and I decided to play with the slime as well and show you all 8 of them. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having an amazing day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.